Alright guys, it is officially the intro because I'm always late, man. I'm always late. We're about to go in the mall. It looks like we're not gonna go for the run anymore because it's still raining. It's still drizzling right now too, but hey, we at Lenox. We're gonna be chilling. Just chilling with my boy Savage Speed TV. Chilling with my boy Montu Fame, and we're just gonna have a good day, man. I hope the event for tomorrow is gonna be good because of the sun, so we'll see about that. Right now, it's not looking so great, but
what you doing, Steve? What you doing, Steve? What you doing, Steve? You over here trying to have a personal moment?
I was trying.
You need a personal moment? You need a person with nobody in the. Come on, try to be by yourself. You try to walk away after getting here late.
I'm trying to say how
you the same guy that got here late. And now you want your own little space?
You off to the side?
Yeah, come on, man. You ain't got nobody else in your video. I thought we was that's how we doing it?
Brothers.
God damn.
Yeah. Anyway, we about to go in the mall, man.
Yeah, let's do some shopping, baby. Let's do it.
That's what we're about to do right now, man.
Everything on Steve.
Everything on Steve. What you mean? I forgot my card. I forgot my card.
Yo, stop filming me, bro.
What you getting, bro?
Filming me, bro.
What you getting, bro?
This is for if I gotta run out real quick and I need to throw something on, and they don't take sneakers. You gotta keep a pair of.
Yo, guess where we at? We at Aldo right now. Just chilling with my
chill. I know I'm not rich like him. I'm not rich like him, so you know what I mean? I gotta get the low budget. You know Aldo ain't nothing but the knockoffs of the shit you wear. It ain't nothing but the knockoffs of the shit you wear.
Yeah, we chilling right now, man. Yeah, we chilling in the mall, just having fun, of course. I'm trying to do some shots too, so we'll see. We'll see how those gonna work. Yo,
backing out, bro. What's up? Hey,
yo, we got my boy Savage Speed TV.
I just told you.
About to like grab one of those Lumix for y'all. The GH5.
So what camera you getting? I'm getting
Nah, but guys, it's the Lumix GH5.
Lumix GH5. Yeah. The Lumix GH5.
Yeah.
You getting the body with the kit lens, you getting the template.
So guys, he's definitely getting that camera right now, though. Definitely shout out to my boy, though.
Yeah. See, we was laughing about Steve the Gamer, but he really dropping that bag.
He's about to drop that bag right now.
He really about to drop that bag. Yeah. I'm in here feeling like I'm just holding my little Aldo shoe box, my little shoe purse.
Yo, why does he?
Joke for my shoe purse, by the way.
Damn. He's ready. He's thinking about it right now. He's like, should I spend it or not?
His head. Look at him.
Look.
Look at him. He's rubbing his head. Look.
Guys, I gotta get used to this camera. But he's probably thinking like, yo, look at this. Oh, this is pretty cool. But yeah, he's probably thinking like, yo, should I spend this or not? Definitely.
Don't make no sense.
That's stupid loud, man.
That thing loud. That thing sounds so good.
I know. Time for the second break of the day, man. We getting a quick photo shoot with my man Jack over here. This spot, damn, this is a secret location, man. It's in the middle of nowhere. But yeah, we getting a quick photo shoot over here, and yeah, hopefully you guys are going to enjoy that, of course. So what you guys think these pictures gonna look like? I don't know. I hope they look nice. But also guys, I wanted to ask you guys, what do you guys want to see on this channel? As far as I know what I'm bringing on this channel, but I know you guys have some requests, of course. It just is, I'm just gonna show you guys my, you know, my daily life. I'm not gonna post like every day, but I'm gonna try to do at least one episode weekly. If I don't do one episode weekly, please just bug me about it. I don't know. I can't believe I'm saying that. Just hit me up because I'm always doing something. Other than the guys that are in Florida right now, I still got another crew here. So I get to hang out with the ATL mob tonight. Let's see how that show's gonna turn out. But we always have something going on, man. It's ATL, so you guys already know, especially for the weekends, there's always something going on. And every month, you guys already know about Caffeine and Octane. So I'm always gonna have something to do. It's just that, do you guys wanna see these type of videos? Or do you guys wanna see reaction videos? Whatever you guys wanna see, man. You know, it's our channel. We got my boy Jack coming in with the shots. Look at that, man. Look at what you gotta do to get those good shots. Jack, you wanna say what's up to the vlog? He's like, yo, I'm in the zone. Don't mess with me.
What's up, guys?
Oh man. Nah, that was some good shots though. We're about to look at, oh my god, wait, I gotta fix my autofocus. What? Look at that, guys. This is crazy.
And this is unedited.
Wow. I am ready. I'm gonna coming through with the shots though. Yo, if you guys ever wonder how these photographers usually get those shots, do you see that? Do you see that? He's going in. Like he's in the zone right now. Yo. Anyway, as you guys can see, we're enjoying all day, man. Getting some good shots. This is a great location, of course. And I don't know, hopefully the meet tonight is gonna be freaking great, of course. It's been like, you know, we were supposed to do like a mountain run today, but it was raining earlier and it's been foggy like all day. I would have just keep going, but it's all right. Next time we do have a meet tomorrow again. We'll see how that's gonna turn out, but